Are you tired of losing money in the stock market? Do you want to take your trading game to the next level, but you do not have the budget for expensive trading tools? Well, then you clicked on the right video. Because in this video, I will share with you 5 epic trading tools I use myself. And as a bonus, I have 5 extra free trading tools that will for sure take your trading to the next level. Let's start with the first tool. One of the most important things with trading is finding the right stocks to trade. I'm a momentum trader, so I want to find stocks with a high potential volatility. Stocks that can move a lot. I want to find the pre-market gappers, stocks that has a high volume and that already moved significantly pre-market. And I have 2 amazing free tools that can help you to find the right stocks to trade. The first one is TradingView. I have one scanner I use pre-market and one scanner I use during the market hours. Especially for you, this is how you set it up. But before I tell you how you can set up TradingView screener, you need to know what works for me might not work for you. It's important that you trade your strategy and follow your plan. For now, just go to TradingView/screener or just go to products, screeners and stocks. The price should be above 1. For the pre-market change should be either lower than -2% or higher than 2%. Pre-market volume is very important, has to be at least 1 million. The relative volume has to be at least 1, now depending on the kind of stocks I'm trading. And then for the market, I have a slightly different scanner. This time the price should be above 2, the volume has to be above 2 million, and I want that the price makes a new 1-month high. If you want to have an easier method, just open YouTube, type in Zendo Live Scanner. The only drawback of this live scanner of Zendo is you need to be more careful with what stocks you can pick. I have to look for my own requirements. Now, one of the requirements that always needs to be fulfilled, it's the volume has to be at least 1 million. But as always, never blindly trade the stocks that just appear on your scanner. Your scanner are a tool to help you trade. All stocks are good for you to trade, not even on this scanner. That's why it's so important to find the right stocks and have clear requirements. And the only thing a scanner does is help you in finding those stocks. It's even possible that one day you don't even find any stocks that fit your requirements. Now we go to the next tool, and honestly this is one of my favorite tools. I cannot recommend this enough. I use this from the start of my trading journey, and so far I don't even think there's even a better paid alternative. It's Webull. Yes, Webull, look at this. How amazing is this to create an easy watch list? You have your watch list, you have your news, everything I need. I have 6 stocks I'm looking at the time. Now, if you want to know my specific setup, no problem. Let me show you out. So the first thing you do is go to the trade tab, start with a new blank slate. Just put the news here, and I put 4 charts next to it. You can just make them nice and beautiful. Put them exactly the way you want them to look. I have another one where I track the indices. Most important tab of them all, the preparation. This is a place where I could prepare all my trades. I have my watch list here. And now the next 2 tools I will tell you. These are absolutely essential if you want to succeed as a day trader. Especially if you are a beginner trader, you have to use this all the time. Use this or use an alternative. Because if you do not do this, man, I don't know. It will make your trading journey way harder than it is. So tool number 4 is Discord. Yes, Discord. As you're thinking, this is what you should do. You should create a Discord channel for yourself and call it Trading Journal. Every day I write down how I felt, my large cap setups I took, my short cap setups that I took. At the end of every weekend, I look at all my trades. I read my setups, what could be improved, how I felt, how were my emotions, how did I do this week, and then I give myself one task. I should focus on that week specifically. Should I work on my stop losses? Should I work on my exit? Should I work on my this? If you do that exactly, see your improvements time after time after time. It's such an incredibly good way of reviewing your trades. And tool number 5 is Google Sheets. Now, this is not necessarily a trading tool, but this is another tool I use to track all my trades. I track my win rate, I track all the metrics I want to track there, because it's so important to track your trades. There are some good trading journals online. They will do an amazing job, but there's a reason why I prefer Excel on Discord, because it's more work. If you do a trading journal online, it's possible you import all your trades. Cool, easy, but this takes more time. You're trying to get better, you're trying to learn, you're trying to improve. Beneficial that it takes more time. The more time it takes, the more time you're behind your chart, the more time you have to analyze. Put in your hours, and that's why I prefer Discord and Google Sheets. As promised, I have 5 extra free tools you can use that might be very beneficial for you. The first one is Filmviz. You can search for technicals, look at all the fundamentals, the flow, the volume, the market capital, all the information you might need is just written on Filmviz. Work with it, it's an amazing website. Okay, the second free tool is TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim. Now, I use Webull for my charting, but Thinkorswim also is an amazing charting platform. Now, you need to open an account for that, and you need to deposit, I think, $2,000. It's a deposit, you don't lose the money, and then you get free live data as well. So in the same way I use with Webull, you can do it with Thinkorswim. A lot of traders prefer Thinkorswim, and maybe you do as well. The third free tool is StockTwits. It's a social media platform specially designed for investors, for traders. You have to be careful with this. You can use it in your advantage or disadvantage. The reason why I never use StockTwits is because I'm afraid I focus on other people's their strategy and not on my own. And in the end, if you want to succeed, you have to focus on your own strategy. Don't copy and paste anything you read anywhere. It's your plan and you have to execute your plan. And the fourth tool is Zacks. I love Zacks, the perfect website to research earnings. They show me how the price has reacted previously during earnings. And the last one is Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance is a great tool for day trading. It gives you live quotes, it gives you research. But finding the right tools is only the start of your trading journey. It will be very hard to make money if you choose the wrong broker. So make sure you watch this video so you won't make that mistake. Okay, cool.